Top 5 Desktop RAM DDR5 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Crucial Pro 64GB DDR5 6000 MHz CL40 White RAM. Upgrade your build with the Crucial Pro 64GB DDR5 6000 MHz CL40 White RAM. Engineered for performance and style. Compared to similar high-capacity kits, it delivers faster speeds, lower latency, and enhanced stability for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. The sleek white design adds a clean, modern look to any PC. With DDR5 technology, enjoy improved power efficiency and future-ready bandwidth. Whether you're building a high-end workstation or a vibrant gaming rig, this RAM ensures smooth, reliable performance. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to compare features and find the perfect match. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, and experience next-level computing with Crucial Pro. Number 4. Crucial Pro DDR5 64GB 6000 MHz CL40 RAM, Black. Upgrade your system with Crucial Pro DDR5 64GB 6000 MHz CL40 RAM in sleek black, engineered for speed, stability, and future-ready performance. Compared to similar DDR5 kits, it delivers optimized latency and bandwidth, ideal for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. With plug-and-play compatibility and Intel XMP 3.0 support, installation is seamless. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate product details effortlessly. Backed by Crucial's reliability and designed for peak efficiency, this RAM outperforms competitors in both value and performance. Whether you're building a high-end PC or upgrading your workstation, Crucial Pro ensures smooth, responsive computing. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, for tailored tech solutions. Number 3. G.SKILL Flare X5 DDR5 32GB 6000 metric tons per second CL36 RAM. Upgrade your PC with G.SKILL Flare X5 DDR5 32GB 6000 metric tons per second CL36 RAM. Engineered for peak performance and stability. Compared to similar DDR5 kits, it delivers faster speeds and lower latency, ideal for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. With optimized timings and high bandwidth, it outperforms standard 5,600 metric tons per second modules, ensuring smoother performance in demanding applications. Designed for Intel platforms, it supports XMP 3.0 for easy overclocking. To move between items, use your keyboard's up or down arrows. Select the department you want to search in, tools and home improvement, for compatible builds. Backed by G.SKILL's reliability, the Flare X5 combines sleek design with cutting-edge DDR5 technology, making it a top-tier choice for enthusiasts seeking speed, capacity, and future-ready performance in one powerful memory solution. Number 2. Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz CL36 RAM Kit. Upgrade your system with the Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz CL36 RAM Kit, engineered for speed, stability, and future-ready performance. Compared to similar kits, it delivers faster data transfer rates and lower latency, ensuring smoother multitasking and enhanced gaming or content creation. With DDR5 technology, enjoy improved power efficiency and bandwidth over previous generations. Ideal for high-performance PCs, this kit supports Intel and AMD platforms. To move between items, use your keyboard's up or down arrows. Select the department you want to search in: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, tools and home improvement, for tailored results. Built for reliability and speed, Crucial Pro RAM is the smart choice for power users seeking top-tier performance without compromise. Number 1. Crucial Pro DDR5 32GB 6400 MHz CL32 Gaming RAM. Upgrade your gaming rig with Crucial Pro DDR5 32GB 6400 MHz CL32 RAM. Engineered for peak performance and reliability. Compared to similar DDR5 modules, it delivers faster speeds, lower latency, and superior multitasking, ensuring smooth gameplay and rapid load times. With ECC-like error protection and Intel XMP 3.0 support, stability meets speed. Whether you're streaming, rendering, or conquering the latest titles, this RAM keeps your system responsive. Easy to install and compatible with leading motherboards, it's the smart choice for gamers and creators alike. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to compare specs and find the perfect match. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, to explore more tech essentials. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.